Dog hair on the cereal, coffee gone cold in the other room. Cartoons too loud, laundry mountain blocking out the sky. Footsteps on a Lego, laugh so I won't cry. I'm a raccoon in a pile of laundry, digging for a cleanish life. Eating from a pan in the closet, hiding from the mom. Can you cries? Just 5 minutes in the dark, with the t-shirts and the tangled socks. Raccoon in a pile of laundry, let the world knock, knock. Kitchen like a crime scene, spaghetti on the ceiling fan. Phone buzzing, group chat, who can bring snacks? Maybe you can. To-do list on a napkin stuck under yesterday's plate. I fold one more tiny shirt, show up an hour late. I'm a raccoon in a pile of laundry, digging for a cleanish life. Eating from a pan in the closet, hiding from the mom. Can you cries? Just 5 minutes in the dark, where the dust bunnies never judge. Raccoon in a pile of laundry, in this chaos, I'm enough. They think I'm in the shower, they think I'm on a call. I'm breathing in the cotton, letting all the marbles fall. If this is my weekend palace with mismatched socks for a throne, then this little cluttered corner is where I come back home. I'm a raccoon in a pile of laundry, digging for a scrap of peace. Eating from a pan in the closet, till the banging at the door all eases. Just 5 minutes in the dark, I can hear my own heart talk. Raccoon in a pile of laundry, then I'll come back to the knock, knock.